Hello, my dear friends. I'm about to give you a free gift. It's a sample video from my patreon.com site, and it is a mini mentoring session. You'll get one of these every Friday, just as a little teaser, a little taste to see what it would be like to get one of these 5 days a week. If you decide you'd like to have one of these mini mentoring sessions 5 days a week, ad-free, go to A Better Life with FlyLady Kat at patreon.com, patreon.com, and sign up. It's only $5 a month. You get 20 videos a month, and they are designed to give you a kick in the pants first thing in the morning. It's set up so that you can see them first thing, so you can watch them in bed even before you get going. It's designed for payroll and at-home homemakers, and it will help you with the way you think about the way you're doing life and doing the FlyLady system. So I hope that you go over and check out my Patreon site. While you're there, look at all of the other opportunities that I have for you for mentoring. We do personal one-on-one mentoring. There are different levels of that. And also I offer this year in 2022 financial mentoring. So if you need a budget, if you would like to be financially independent, now's the time to sign up for that as well. Okay, have a wonderful day. Enjoy the video. Hello, patrons. Today we're talking about enjoying the process. I'm actually revisiting this topic because it's worth revisiting, and maybe you've never heard it before, and you need to hear it for the first time, but maybe you've heard it lots and lots of times and you just need to hear it again. When I managed a group of people in corporate America, one thing I would talk to them about was enjoying their job. They were at that job 8 hours plus lunch hour plus travel time to and back. And they needed to find something to love about the job, or they didn't need to be there. Because it's a huge part of your life when you're a payroll person, when you're working an 8-hour job. It's a huge part of your life. You need to love something about it so that it makes you happy, because your life is short and there's no reason to be sad or no reason to feel laden, okay? So that's the same with your job at home. Whether you're a payroll homemaker or an at-home homemaker, your job at home, you have to find things to love about it, to enjoy about it. I know you've seen my video, The Dishes Diva. If you haven't, please go watch it on the YouTube channel, Dishes Diva. It's an old one. But it talks about the process of washing the dishes and how that can be such an enjoyable process, and it can be an escape where only you are there and no one can bother you because you're doing the dishes. So that's the same thing I want you to do with everything. I want you to find something to love about it. Now, there's just a 3-layer cake that we're working on in my version of the FlyLady system. We've got routines as one layer. We've got basic weekly plan as a layer, and we've got the zones as a layer. So let's talk about each of those and how we can enjoy them. Routines. If you enjoy your routines, you're more likely to do them. And when you're more likely to do them, you're taking better care of yourself, your family, and your home. You're getting up in the morning, you're getting dressed right away, you're making your bed, you're taking care of your skin, your teeth, your toilets and your sinks, your kitchen, you're making breakfast. That's the morning routine. The laundry routine can be enjoyable. You have a special day that you do something on, and you do that thing on that day, like wash sheets on Mondays, for example. And how hard is it to wash sheets? It's not. You pull them off the bed, you put them in the washer, you put the soap in, you push the button, and it goes. When it's done, you put it in the dryer, you push the button, and it goes. When they're dry, you go put them back on your bed, and you enjoy the smell, the feel, and knowing that when you get in your sheets tonight, it's going to feel so good because they're nice and clean and fresh. That's enjoying the process, finding something to enjoy about the process. So those are a few examples of your routines. It goes on and on. You know what they are. Think about what you can find to enjoy about them. That's so, so important. You know, your attitude is everything in life. It really is. Your attitude drives you. Think of it as the little chauffeur behind the wheel. That's your attitude. If you have a bad attitude, man, you're going to be splashing through mud puddles and going through rough grade and going down tree-shrouded streets that are scratching the car. Or you can have your little limousine driver that's got a great attitude, and he's taking you down the smooth highway with the pretty lights, and he follows the speed limit, and it's calm and relaxing. That's the difference in a bad attitude and a good attitude. So your attitude is going to drive the way you do your routines, your basic weekly plan, and your zone. Let's talk about basic weekly plan. The basic weekly plan is 7 different things every day, 7 a week. So 1 different thing a day. So on Monday, it's the weekly home blessing hour. You can enjoy that. It's made into 10 little 10-minute units, 6 little 10-minute units. You can do anything for 10 minutes. And you can enjoy it. Whistle while you work. Put on some music. Chew some gum. Make sure you go to the bathroom first. Tell the kids they can't bother you right now. Delegate something. Inspect what you expect. Enjoy it. Be the happy limousine driver. Second day is your free day. Enjoy your free day. Don't try to make up for lost time on your free day. That's your free day. Enjoy that. Find things to savor about that. On Wednesday, that's your planning and desk day. That's a quiet day. Find time to be quiet, be introspective, to pay your bills, balance your checkbook, look at your food situation, make your menu, empty your action item box, your inbox, and make your plan for the next week. It's so exciting to have a plan. You know, we are sidetracked and we need a plan. People who are organized will say, "What are you doing? Just do it." Well, we can't just do it. We have ping pong balls in our brain. We have to have a plan so that we know this is all I have to do today. I don't have to worry about this big picture ever again. Just have to do 15 minutes in my zone. I just have to do whatever it is, the planning day. I've just got to buy my groceries today or run errands today. I just got to do my routine this afternoon before bed. Okay? So look for little things to love about your basic weekly plan, about your routines, and about your zone. Let's talk about your zone. So many of my experienced mentees will come to me and say, "Kat, I just feel so bad. I fell off the wagon. I didn't do any of my zone work." You didn't? No. Why? Well, Kat, I had to take the kids here and they had to go to the dentist and this one was sick or whatever it is. I'm not picking on you mentees if you're listening to me. I'm just letting you know that there are a lot of people who do this, not just you. Okay, so here's what I want you to realize, and this is what I say to them. Well, what time did you get up? Oh, you got up on time. Did you do your morning routine? Good. All right. And what time did you have to leave with your child to go to the dentist? Really? Okay. And what did you do in that 2 hours between the time you finished your routine and time to take your child to the dentist? Nothing? Okay, well, you only needed 15 minutes to do the zone, not 2 hours, not 5 hours, not 7 hours. Don't think the old way. We just do routines for zones for 15 minutes. 15 minutes of going through things, going through a drawer, going through a box size area and saying, throw away, give away, keep. And then at the end, putting those things away, throwing the trash away, putting the giveaway in the back of the car, and putting things up that you want to keep and love and use. Okay? All right. So that is something you can enjoy because it's just 15 minutes. And we just let ourselves believe untruths. We let ourselves believe that we can't do it, we don't have enough time. Or our child is so sick, they just need me so much. Well, no, they're not going to need you every second. If they're throwing up, you got to hold their little head, wipe them up, clean them up. But once they're cleaned up and back in bed, they don't need you to hover over them incessantly. You need to look at them. You need to make sure they don't have a fever. You need to make sure they're not throwing up. You need to make sure they have their Jell-O, whatever it is. But you have lots of time to do things in between, and you can. So don't use a sick child, a sick spouse, a sick mother as an excuse. You can still get your work done because it's just little teeny pockets of time. Okay. So that's all I'm going to say today to you about enjoying the process. I want you to realize it's not hard. It's easy. It's not a mean thing. It's an easy thing. It's a fun thing. You're going to find something fun about it. Always make sure you don't have to go to the bathroom. Always make sure you've had water. Always make sure you've got some nice music on. You've used your timer. You've looked at your planner. You know what's going on. And you just have to do this little thing right now. Just this little thing. And then do the next thing. Okay, that's it today. I hope you have a wonderful day. I hope you always enjoy the process. And I hope you always remember that you are beautiful. So, be beautiful.